In this video, I replaced the power liftgate strut on a 2017 Toyota Rav4 because it makes this creaking noise and sometimes only partially opens. First, I removed this trim piece by removing these 4 10mm screws and 3 plastic snap fasteners. I used this nylon pry bar from this kit that I purchased from Amazon to remove the 3 plastic fasteners. I carefully removed the trim piece and let it hang in place. Next, I partially removed the liftgate interior panel, starting at the slot in the right corner, using the same nylon pry bar. Then I used just my hands to pop out more fasteners toward the left. And next to the strut mount to access the strut cable connector. A couple of the plastic fasteners had to be removed from their mounts, and it was a bit of a struggle. A close-up look at the connector. And this is where to press to release the clip. I removed the grommet and cable. Then this clip for the cable raceway. Next, I removed the door and body strut mounts. Before proceeding, I placed a 6-foot ladder and 2 bags under the liftgate to hold it up. I removed the door mount first. This screw was blocked by the strut, so I used an adjustable wrench to remove it. My 10mm combination wrench was in my other tool bucket. I then removed the body mount. I purchased this pair of power struts from Amazon and only replaced the right-hand strut that made the creaking noise. I compared the original and replacement struts, and all the components look very similar. The body mount was installed first. It was marked PR, I think for passenger right, with the ball on the left side of the mount. Next, the door mount. One end was marked R, I think for the right side of the mount. The new power strut was then wiggled and popped onto the body ball mount. Then the liftgate was lifted and the other end of the strut was popped onto the door ball mount. The plastic cable raceway was clipped into place. By the way, the label said that the strut was for 2013 to 2018 RAV4s. The cable was inserted into the hole and the grommet was set in place. The cable connector was plugged in. The trim piece was resecured with the 3 plastic snap fasteners. And 4 screws. The interior panel was resecured by pressing in the plastic fasteners. I pressed the door switch to close the liftgate. And it stopped short. I then manually closed the liftgate and the limits were reset. The liftgate was again tested with the door switch. And then the remote. Happy wife, happy life.